Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. Link is in the bio. I have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is affirmation, confirmation. It's time to write down what your wants and your needs that you're going into your next season. Lord God, Spirit is asking you, saying, what do you want? And now it's time to make it plain, make it clear. Skip no lines, as we say on this page. Right on the front to back, right on the sides, to everything down to the punctuation of your needs and your wants. When you leave space, that means that it needs to have a filler. Lord God and Spirit, they're actually fulfilling things and may not be the things you're actually looking for at the time. So be specific, be bold, write what you want, and leave no spaces for any fillers. I listen to myself and acknowledge my needs. I assert myself and retain my power. I'm brave. I'm gentle. I don't have to be afraid of others because I respect myself. Therefore, I'm respected by others. How you respect and how you love yourself, how you treat yourself is how the universe, this is how other people will respect and it will actually treat you and love you. So treat yourself well and don't be scared to ask for the best. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.